Good morning viewers. Today I'm going to explain about the material master record creation. The material master record contains all information about the materials a company procures, manufactures, stores and ships. The data stored in the material master is not only used by warehouse management but also by another application components such as inventory management, production planning, quality management and shipping. The integration of all information about a material into a single record eliminates redundancy and makes it possible to store material data for all relevant system components in a single database. Okay, let's go and create the material master. There are two ways you can go and create a material master. One through SAP Easy Access path and the other one is transaction code. So let me show you the path in the Easy Access. So SAP menu, logistics, sales and distribution, master data, products, material, other material and MM01. Just double click here, it'll take you to the initial screen of a material master. Here it is. Now let's go back and see the other way to come back. So let me collapse this. Just punch in MM01 transaction code in the command field and press enter. So here we'll select two here, that is industrial sector and material type. So we will not be using the material here, material fee, because if you are using the external number you can enter the material number here, but if you are not using an internal number you need not enter anything up here. So let's go and select. So I'm selecting the industrial sector, pharmaceuticals, and the material type is I'm going for finished products. And once you enter, select views in the material master record. You maintain and display material master records using views. Just as data in the material master record is maintained for specific departments such as quality assurance, sales or product planning, some of the data is used specifically by the warehouse management application. So we are going to select 7 views. One is basic data 1, 2 sales org data 1, sales org data 2, sales general plan data, MRP 1, MRP 2, and last one is accounting 1. Okay, once you select these, click on organization levels. Here there are 2 organizational levels that can be defined for warehouse management. In the warehouse management view of the material master record, all the indicators and fields that are used for the entire warehouse number are entered at the warehouse number level. There is also a storage type level with all the indicators that apply to the single storage type but do not for the entire warehouse. If you enter a storage type for a material on the initial screen for the warehouse view, the system displays an additional section in which you can enter, for example, a fixed storage bin or a control quantity. These fields only apply to the storage type and not to the entire warehouse. So we are going to enter 4 fields: plant, storage location, sales and organization and distribution channel. Plant would be 1000, storage location is 0001, and sales organization 1000 and distribution 10. And press enter. Once you enter that, it will take you to the basic data 1. So whatever the selected views you have selected, you'll have to enter the mandatory fields in that particular tabs. So we are in basic data 1. Here there are 6 mandatory fields, 1 material description that I'm going to do, that is ABCD material for example, and the other one is base unit of measure. So the base unit of measure, I'm taking it as PC. You can select from here, and you can type it here. PC. And material group, this is for a demo purpose, so I'm going to select anything which comes up first. So I'm going for the metal processing. Okay, metal processing, so I've selected that. And the next one is division, that is 000, and next one is cross weight, so I'm going to put 100 and 100 kilograms, that is cross weight, and net weight I'll put it here for 90. So cross weight is package material after package, net weight is material without package. Okay, once you're done, just click on sales org data. Here you'll be entering one delivery plant and customer text classification, that is one. I'm going to show you what exactly the one would be. One is, I'm giving full tax for whoever purchases it, and for the item give full tax. So once you enter that, click on sales of 2. Here in the sales of 2 tab, you'll be entering 4 mandatory fields. One, material statistical group. I'll show you what it is. It is relevant from statistics. And material price group. So whether it is standard part or paid part, so I'm giving a standard parts. And hub account assignment group is, I'm giving this a finished product, so I'm selecting finished goods here. And the fourth one is item category group, that it's already come up, so you need not enter anything. So let's go to general plant. In the sales of general plant, general plant data tab, you'll enter 3 mandatory fields. One, availability chart, so it's already been retrieved from some other source, so it's daily requirements. And transportation group, I'm giving all on pallets. And loading group, so I'm giving it manual. Okay, once you're done entering the 3 mandatory fields in sales general plant, so you'll be going to the MRP1. So you can click on this arrow, or you can use this thing to go directly to a particular tab. So I'm going MRP1. In the MRP1 tab, you will have to enter 3 mandatory fields here. One is MRP type. MRP type for finished products is PD. And next one is MRP control. So I'm selecting 000, and the lot size I'm selecting EX, that is lot to lot. You ever produce a product will be in lot, so I'm selecting lot. So once you're done, you'll click on MRP2. MRP2, you'll have in the MRP2 tab, you'll have to enter 2 mandatory fields. One is in-house production keys, and so how many days it will take to produce a material. So I'm putting 2 days here, and the other one is schedule margin key. Schedule margin key, you will select anything which comes up, because it's a very deep concept you'll be learning in future. So the last tab which is left is accounting 1, so I'm going to select from this shortcut. Here in the accounting one you need to enter actually one, but the valuation clauses for the finished product is not picked up, so we'll be selecting valuation clause from the possible entries, that is 7920 is the finish for the finished product, so I'm selecting it. And the standard price is nothing but the manufacturing cost of the product, so I'm putting 1000 euros. So once you enter the standard price in the account tab, okay, press enter. Besides material master views, we have another level of maintenance in MM01 transaction. It is also with number reference to organization levels. From any view in the material master you can choose additional data, this one. But in additional data we can define description for any other languages needed. Let's say if your company is implementing global and the material should be kept in the local languages. So this material is created in Germany, that is Doshe, so I'm selecting DE here and some ABCD material. So I've created a description for German language. So in other course, material description is the same for both languages. So in other cases you might need to translate this description. This is important because if you have a customer from Germany and they are accepting only their product name, you have to define it here. So once you've done it, press enter and save it. Okay, see the material 2487 has been created and you can see the message at the bottom of the screen. So you're done entering your created material. Thank you so much.